Coming up on Let's Go Adventures. We head to Green Elephant Sanctuary Park, where we get to see their sanctuary, feed the elephants, have a mud bath, bit of a wash, finally a shower. So pack your bags and let's go. So we're now heading behind the scenes to where the elephants live, and to show how they are treated here. Pretty much show them their sanctuary.
For them, because in our law, in Thai law, they put this kind of the elephant, domestic elephant, into danger animal. What does that mean? That means police can come here anytime to check how we treat them. They require a place to contain elephant. And if you not have this for them, you need to change them in state, which is they will change for whole life. If you can notice, or you can walk back after this part, you see all of them, especially the old one, have like a white line behind the leg, around the leg, also around the ankle, around the neck. That is from shame. But we are here because the Swiss guy, the owner here, he's from Switzerland, by the way. He has Thai wife, which should cook for you today, right after the activity as well. He live around here. He said every guest that come to support and come to visit us needs to see this, because it's just like to be honest and be loyal, to show the guests how we treat them. He loves elephant based on, we start this project together in January 2018 with only 4 elephants. The problem, his motivation, his vision before he started this is because he went to many places about elephant sanctuary all over in Thailand. But the problem he found is every place mostly that he went to, he couldn't tell, he couldn't separate everybody how good they're taking care of the elephant. Which one is ethical, which one is not. My elephants stay here only in the night time. That's why I call the bedroom. Some of our staff call the night enclosure, but the cell is like too proper. I call the bedroom because they sleep only after 6 or 6:30, get back here. And in the daytime, we have the private area for them behind you, everybody. Behind you is our forest. Here is how we start. So this side we have the night enclosure. We have bamboo house. In the middle of the area is a completely private area for my elephant. No building, just only one bamboo place where the caretaker can sit and have the meal together, and elephant can walk everywhere. They don't need to stick together. This close that you see at the right feeding pot, you see the caretaker very strict. This is the rules of our boss, from our boss. He mentioned during the activity time, caretaker cannot go further with the elephant more than 3 meters. It's about the safety from the guests. He put the safety of our guests like the most important thing. When one elephant runs, the other, they don't know what's going on. They start to run follow. Trust me, when the baby elephant runs, it's very adorable, everybody, but the big one runs. It's scary. They can run like a fastest is 40 kilometers per hour. It sounds like it's not that fast, but in the real situation, it's quite scary. Especially sometimes they not run because they're scared. They run because they have fun. The young one, Nadia and Namon, 15 years old and 20 years old, during the activity time with the guests, sometimes they play together and they leg together, run. Then that cannot happen during the tour. They eat around 16 hours to 18 hours a day. You just finish feeding them and you might think, my elephant, they are hungry. They're not hungry, everybody. That's the normal way for them to eat. They never getting food, they never stop eating because inside elephant body, they didn't have digestive system same like us. They eat around half an hour straight out to food. So they require the food around 10% of their body weight. They eat around 200 kilograms up to 300 kilograms per day. The bamboo home here, this side is for caretaker. They living here, they're living here with their wife, their children, their grandma, their grandpa here. They're easy to take care of our elephant here. So we have 14 elephant now. That means we have 14 families and we need to look after them. Another side behind the toilet that we use, we have more bamboo home. That side is most of us, the employee, that is not the caretaker, living there. I'm also living there as well behind the toilet. I'm moving here. Most of our employees move in here in the COVID time. that we shut down for 2 years to help each other reduce the expense because we have nothing help from our government and our police. So we have to help each other. Also about the foundation of us, we didn't have any license to open the foundation in the legal way. We cannot take any help from our guests during that time because if he takes, the Swiss guy, illegal in our law, he will cause like a big trouble if he take the cash from the guests that they would like to give us a hand donation or whatever to our elephant. We cannot take it because if it goes straight to his bank account, it cause like a big trouble. We have like a really nothing in that time and we quite really struggling in that time. And when we rescue them, everybody, we need to buy them, we need to pay for them. One elephant is cost us around $60,000 US for one elephant. That's a very expensive when it comes to be our money, everybody. Sanctuary is a very, very new concept. We try to educate the local people, not the tourists. The tourists know already that that's why you are here and did not go to support the riding stuff. The local people, the guy that's standing next to elephant right now, or caretaker, before they meeting with us, they have no idea what is sanctuary mean.
So even though these cages may not look the safest or enjoyable, in Thailand there's only two ways you can keep a elephant, and that's either in chains or in enclosures like this. So this is a lot more safer for the elephants. All the elephants here in Thailand are domestic. None of them are wild, so they're all been imported and bought. And the sanctuary has only been a thing for the past 5 years. Everything else has been all the riding parks and all that stuff. So this place is still pretty new, still being developed, but they're just here to educate the public about what these fantastic animals can do, or that they are.
This elephant never getting food, they never stop eating. Their trunk is like our hand.
Hello. Hi. It'll show just like a hand.
Wait for it. Come on in, I'll sit.
So it's a rescued mum and baby from a tour company thing, and it's quite funny to see that the baby's kind of uncoordinated, that it can't get its trunk to its mouth. So now it's mud bath time, where we get to basically pour mud on an elephant. Get some mud on it. Some of it is me. Oh, barely done. Smells nice. He's gonna keep like was amazing going to the Green Elephant Sanctuary Park. The stuff they do there, it's so genuine and great for the elephants that they rescue. They do not accept donations from the tourists, and they don't have a souvenir shop, so the only way they can actually make money to then put back into the park is by people buying their tickets. Even though the tickets are 2,500 baht, it is going for a good cause, so make sure if you do come to Thailand to go see elephants, don't go to riding parks, always go to the sanctuary and help them out. We also saw Dave Hughes there, really nice guy. We didn't start the conversation, we were sitting on the bench or sitting at the table, and then he came sat next to us. And I put on my phone on the notes, does this guy look like Dave Hughes, M? And turns out it was Dave Hughes, and he actually started the conversation, and yeah, really nice guy. Anything else? No, that's it. We'll catch us all next time. See ya.